Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to experience true desktop class power in a laptop, not marketing fluff, but raw, stable performance, this beast right here will blow you away. Before we dive in, hit the first link below to check today's Amazon deal. These Alienware 18 Area-51 units vanish fast whenever the discounts hit. I've been gaming on the Alienware 18 Area-51 2025 edition for a couple of weeks now, and it's easily the most powerful machine I've ever tested. The first impression? Sheer presence. That 18-inch QHD plus 300Hz display dominates your vision. Ultra-sharp, fluid, and vivid enough to make every frame feel alive. Even the chassis screams premium. Magnesium alloy build, customizable RGB zones, and that signature sci-fi glow only Alienware pulls off. Under the hood, it's running Intel's Core Ultra 9-275HX with 32GB DDR5 RAM, a 1TB SSD, and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070. In real-world gameplay, I'm seeing 150 FPS plus in Apex Legends and 120 FPS in Cyberpunk 2077 at QHD plus Ultra. Thermals stay surprisingly balanced. Fans peak near 46 decibels. Temps sit around 83 degrees Celsius under sustained load, and no frame drops even after hours of play. Quick reminder. Tap the link below to see the current price before it changes. The RTX 5070 configuration usually sells out within days of launch. The keyboard feels mechanical, tactile, and fast. Perfect for long gaming marathons. And that AlienFX lighting syncs beautifully with gameplay, adding just the right atmosphere. Battery life sits around 5 to 6 hours light use or 2 hours gaming, which is solid for this power tier. Pros. Checkmark blistering performance with Core Ultra 9 Plus RTX 5070. Checkmark 18-inch QHD plus 300Hz panel is jaw-dropping. Checkmark AlienFX RGB with customizable zones. Checkmark excellent thermals and premium build. Checkmark massive RAM plus SSD for creators and gamers alike. Cons. Crossmark heavy. Not travel-friendly. Crossmark battery drains fast under high GPU load. So, if you're ready for a true flagship gaming laptop, one that actually replaces your desktop and looks good doing it, the Alienware 18 Area-51 is it. Click the first link right now before the deal changes. This could be your ultimate gaming upgrade of 2025.